Good morning, everybody. It's Josh with Eagle Softwash. We're here doing another roof. I'm going to get a little video of this before we start treating it. See, we've got a lot of green buildup, a lot of algae. Some black streaks. You can kind of see on this side. It's not quite as bad here at the top. That's the original color. Go down the bottom, you can see we're starting to get black streaks. Same over here, we've got a lot around the skylight there. As usual, this stuff, the black streaks will disappear basically as soon as our soap is dry. This heavy stuff, that's going to take a little bit for that to come off. We want to, like I always say, we want to let the rain do it. We don't want to use too much pressure. That also gives it plenty of time to keep working, keep killing off all that stuff. When we're done, it's going to turn white and it's going to turn yellow. That's how we know it's dead. But we'll get some after video when we're finished up. All right. Hope everybody has a good day. Right. So this side here, we've sprayed all of this. This has been sitting for only about 4 or 5 minutes. This was just sprayed, and you can see how it's still dark and stuff. See how light this is turning? All the algae there. It's my wife down there. She's rinsing all the plants, protecting all the plants. See how it's all turning white and it's turning yellow. That's good. That's what we want. All this is starting to turn. We're looking good. Couple areas over here we might have to do a second coat on some of that heavier stuff. Yeah, this is kind of the before. All right, we keep working. All right, we are all finished up with this roof. Look, all the black streaks are gone. Look at all the dead algae. Really don't notice too much of it when it's still alive and it's green. It looks like it blends in, but once it's dead, you see it's all over the place. And all this is feeding on the limestone and the shingles, and it will cause premature deterioration of your shingles. It will shorten its life. Look how we're back to the original color. Some areas where it's a little wet, I've just got done little spot treats here and there where there's a little bit of black left. See right there where it's working. Big difference on the roof. This client's going to be very happy. Their black roof is now back to their, I guess, kind of the reddish color. Big difference. Look at that side right there. Big old difference. I love what I do. Makes a big difference. Look at these roofs. Imagine seeing this from the ground too, all the black streaks and stuff from the road. If you're trying to sell your house, a lot of people are going to think your roof is old when it's still in good shape. Just like this one. This roof is still in very good shape. We've got a lot of life left out of it. There's no granules or anything missing on any of the shingles. They all look good. All right. Hope everybody has a good day. If you would like a free estimate, give us a call at 931-215-3740 or visit eaglesoftwash.com and click on free estimate and just fill out the information there. It'll send me a message and I will contact you and we'll get an appointment booked up for an estimate. Have a good day.